And hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. So one of my fellow YouTubers actually has a bit of a problem with his mic. Whenever he tries to record, the mic isn't actually loud enough, so when he speaks into the mic, you can't quite hear him. I have the opposite problem where my mic is actually too loud and I have to put it at a really low volume because it hears really good. So I'm going to show you what I do to kind of get the middle ground, where you can either make your sound louder or softer. So first, let's say you have filmed a video. So here we have a video where we have not yet edited anything yet. Now what we want to do is we want to open up Audacity, and in here with Audacity we can just drag and drop. And here we go. So once you have imported it, you can just zoom in a bit using the control key and then your mouse. If you use your mouse to zoom in, it just goes like that. And to move around, you can use shift and your mouse. And by your mouse, I mean the little scroll bar in the center of your mouse. Now you'll notice here at the start, I have a 5-second open space where I say nothing. And this is the sound waves, by the way. You don't have to know anything about this. But here you see I don't say anything. If we listen to this, you can actually hear nothing's happening. But once we listen to this part, and hello everyone, well, you can hear I'm talking. Okay, so there's just something you want to take note of. You want about a 3 to 5 second, maybe more. The more you have, I guess, the better. But 3 to 5 second wait where you don't say anything and it's just the background noise. Now once you have that, you can just select everything by double clicking on the track. Going to Effect, Amplify. Now, if your sound is too low, such as mine here at the moment because I turned my volume down a lot, then you can use this to increase it. Do not allow clipping. This right here, do not allow that. If you allow clipping, basically this right here will go over the top, and when you speak, it will basically cut the sound waves, and you don't want that. It will sound horrible. It will give you like this default value, which is the highest it can go without clipping. And you can just say, okay, this will amplify to make it louder. If you want to make it softer, you'll have to drag that down a bit to like something like this. The lower you go, the lower this will go. So if I say okay, you'll notice now it's super low. So now it's extra soft. Control Z to undo anything. I'm going to select all and amplify to this value it gives me right here. Yours will give a different value depending on how loud everything is. Now here when we play it, you'll notice it is a little bit louder. And hello everyone, welcome back. It's not a lot because probably here, yeah, like here's something loud's happening, which basically prevents it from going too loud, but that's fine. Now one thing you don't want in your video is just noise. Not like noise, like background noise. That's also a bad thing to have in a video, but like noise that's just like blank sound. So I can go here to the start. Let's see if we can hear it. Notice I'm going to amplify to this just so you can hear what I'm talking about. This right here is basically what my background noise sounds like. My microphone is pretty good at cutting this part out, but once you amplify, you might be hearing this. So if you hear this, you want to select this starting point here. Go to Effects, go to Noise Reduction. Say get noise profile, and this will get the noise profile so we can remove that from the video. Let's actually amplify this to a point where we can hear that. So I'm going to go to amplify, and I'm going to allow clipping just for this example. We're going to make it like 8, and then you'll notice we still can't really hear much in the background. And hello everyone, welcome back. But you can hear this at least. So you should probably be hearing this in the background. My sound is like at 30%, but you should probably be hearing that. Now you go here, you say Effect, Noise Reduction, Get Noise Profile. Then here you'll have to play around and see what noise profile works best. So you go here to Noise Reduction and you go Preview after you select the part and you listen. And hello everyone, welcome back to an... If it sounds weird, then you should change this right here. I don't really know what the difference is in most of these. You just play around with it until you get what works for you. For me, this has always worked, so I just keep it at this setting and say okay. But this is how it would sound without that. And hello everyone, welcome back to... But you can just select this after you have gotten your noise profile. And if you say OK, then now it will sound a little bit different. And hello everyone, compared to this. So in the previous tutorial you might not hear the difference. It's kind of difficult to hear, but if it is really easy to hear depending on your microphone, then it can kind of suck. So if this is really soft, then it can be a kind of a pain to have this here and people can hear it. But you can just actually select everything and say noise reduction and then OK once you have selected your noise. And you'll notice right there, you can see like a little bit of noise, a little bit of sound coming through. And it's not completely flat. That's basically the noise. You might be able to hear it, you might not be able to hear it. I can't quite make it louder without destroying everything here. But give it a second. And with the power of noise reduction, you'll notice it's no longer there. We removed it. And you should make sure. So in the previous tutorial, we worked that everywhere it sounds perfectly normal. So once the player explodes, how would you know if it's not sounding normal? If we go here, say noise reduction, and let's say we make this equal to, what was it? Crap, I can't remember, but let's go preview. And hello everyone, welcome back to another. You'll kind of hear it goes in out like, you don't really want that. Also, if you like go here super high. And hello everyone, welcome back to another. You'll hear that, it's very distracting, not really something nice to listen to. But you can play around with it and see what still sounds great whilst removing most of the noise. So if you do hear that, you can remove that. But the point of the video was you can amplify or make this louder by just double clicking effects, amplify, removing allow clipping, and let it amplify. You can make it softer by making amplify lower. You can make it louder by making amplify higher. And then if you want to export this to use, you can just say file, export, MP3, WAV, OGG, it doesn't matter. You can just say, I'm just going to give this a new name so I don't get confused later. Say OK. And now we'll export the audio for you. Then what you do, if you're a video editor, is you take your original video. We can actually quit out of this. Let's open up Kdenlive because that's what I use. We can also open up my file manager. Then my video, I can remember which one it was probably this last one. Drag it in. Then mine has been exported to music with a weird number as a name. Here we go. Drag it in like that. Nope, they're not the same one, but the point still stands. What you do then is you drag and drop your video. You go, let me just group that again. You go here, right click, you go to group. Yes, here's group clips and then ungroup. You want to ungroup these two clips, the sound and the video. Ungroup clips, delete the sound and drag in your new sounds. Then you can select both of them by selecting one and then holding shift and selecting another one. And then you can say group. Now when you select one or modify one, it will also modify the bottom one. So if I cut here, you'll notice it cuts both. And now you have your better sound of your video instead of the crappy sound. And yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you all again in the next video.